Right, welcome back everyone. If you're joining again, um, freezing cold, 1 or 2 degrees today in the south, but the sun. There's actually sun. It's just dry, sunny, cold, wrapped up. Long johns on today. Today's task that I'd like to sort out is this lot here. Look at it. Poor apple trees. Brambles. Growing and growing up now. Ground's still a bit wet to be doing anything else. Oh god, blimey, the sun. Yeah, ground's a bit too wet for doing anything, messing around still there. So as I can't do anything else, this is going to be a clean up operation. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okie dokie, that's what I'm aiming for. That's what I want around all of these trees up here. Get it all cleaned, knocked down. Yeah, I'll get to it to keep myself warm. Crikey, these lumps of concrete down here, they are heavy, big time heavy. I'm going to have to, when you look at it, it's all the brambles are grown all through them, look. So it looks like I will be doing a little bit more work with a tractor. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Oh dear. That's not good, is it? It is bloody cold. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have to do it. Gonna need a little sniff. The starter flu, it's only 1 degree, bless it. Just a little up in there. Hopefully that'll do it. This is usually pretty good, but it is bloody cold. Let's try again. Maybe I should have put it. All for a minute there, weren't gonna go. Right. Just let that warm up for a minute, and then we'll get to it. Right. Oh, always takes longer than you think it should. Fork bucket out of it. These tracks I'm going to load into the bucket on the tractor, and then I'm gonna just get the normal line strimmer, just go over the top, and the rest that's left. It's just surprising, you don't really see it on the video, but I've actually been at it for a good few hours now. I'm thinking it's going to take me that long, but it has done. Okie dokie, that's all the work with that done. Just want to get the line strimmer out and just go through the fine bits. Yeah, if you think about what it looked like at mid-morning today, got a nice way through it. Yeah, so I'll do a little quick time lapse of finishing it off, and then yeah, see the finished result. done. Well, that bit for now. 1,000 times better. I've been up here majority of the day though, but oh, it's so satisfying to see it. It's always been bad. It's never, as far as I can remember, it's always been like crap lying around there and overgrowing all the time. Now it's knocked down. Again, that's another thing. Keep on top of it. Same with like the long grass and that. Just keep on top of it. Keep going at it. Stop it going as bad as it was before. Loads more stuff coming up. Loads of this sort of thing. Lots of clearances, and there is going to be some machine repairs soon because we're going to need to use the mini digger, but the alternator doesn't charge the battery. It's also got quite a bad hydraulic oil leak. It seems like it's coming from the oil tank underneath, so I've got to drop the plates and whatnot. So there's that. And oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful sunset going down behind the clouds. Lovely. But yeah, sorry. Yep, that's all from me. And I will catch you on the next one.